Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar channel and salad bar and you name it, you know guys. This one is just a simply unique recipe. I just made it up, you know what I mean. Celery and strawberry and cucumber smoothie. I have all of these bits left over and I decided to just make a nice drink fresh with it, you know. Can add lemon and ginger to it and also honey to sweeten it, but I like things without sweetness, so I drink it natural. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for them on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Nice and lovely. So we're gonna make a nice lovely smoothie today, using cucumber, celery and strawberry. Just a piece of a cucumber, not too much. Alright, what we're going to do, get the strawberry inside of the blender. These are already washed off because I didn't have them in my fridge. Nice. I'm gonna put a piece of just a piece of cucumber, not too much, just a little piece of a cucumber. Little bit of water. Now that's too much water. Lovely. Could just use some ice. The time is too cold for that. We're gonna blend this about 3 to 4 minutes and see exactly what's gonna happen. All right. Nice. Look at that. See how that lovely and nice? You could put some lemon, ginger if you do have. I didn't have any, so I didn't put any. Oh man, this is beautiful. I like. Nice and lovely. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. As you can see, very unique recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team today. And that's the way we do it when we are doing stuff at home in the kitchen to make everyone happy. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe and click in that notification bell and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, I will see you next time with more recipes like these. Celery with cucumber and strawberry smoothie. See you next time. Bye bye.